What's up, everybody? This is Demo Aurelius. Short video. Um, Going through Assetto Corsa playing on Snake. Um, it's it'd be interesting to make the videos off of this, but I can't go past dash camera 6. So I've been trying to figure that part out for a minute. Um, I've got my controller and I've got a net flying in here. No seams. Anyhow, she's upset. And I gotta figure out how to do these goofy videos off of a replay that I save off of this. Because it doesn't have the other cameras. So it's aggravating, but sometimes trying to figure out how to make this damn content. And its screen's always gonna be blue until I get another TV. So with that being said, um, tuning the wheel, different settings. I'm on 2 right now. I'm going to drive this again and make adjustments on 3, 4, well, partial 3, 4, and 5. So, that being said, it's holding up. It's got to loosen this, toss this on the side. I'm still thinking about inverting these pedals, but I'm not sure because I gotta go get another Allen key. And I gotta get an Allen key for this. I gotta get another 3mm Allen key for something else. And I gotta get hardware for this. And I'm gonna rearrange all this. And got a chance to see my brother today. I hung out a little bit. And he got to run the rig. He ran on Gran Turismo. He didn't go on Assetto Corsa. I would have showed him. He would have drove on Assetto Corsa. He probably would have got the concept of why. I gotta try Group 3, Group 2, Group 1 cars with this setup on Gran Turismo. Because all the street cars setups, I'm not feeling the weight on the front tires. So it's just, I don't like that update that they did. It ruined the full physics, and having to tune this in and trying to get it in this, it's in between tire physics and it being Gran Turismo, so it's not completely. And then tuning, even when I was happy with the physics, is just something. I'm not going to really try to complain much, but you know, Simcade-ish, real driving simulator for console. Until you get to a set of cores on console. So, with that being said, by wash your hands, brush your teeth. She's got her first tooth coming in, cut in, and she's crawling, and we're trying to crawl. So, she's grumpy at the moment. So, you all have a good night. Unfortunately, I have my door open, and she's just started wilding out as soon as I start the video. So, it is life. You all have a good day. Be safe. One.